Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Steam won't be login with correct email ID and password. So whenever you're trying to sign in back with your Steam account, every single time when you're trying to sign in with the Steam account, even you're giving the right credentials, you're not able to sign in back. So if that is the case, how we can fix this? So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about this issue might be related to the server. So if the Steam is outdated with the server issue, you'll be having the trouble with logging in. So what you need to do is you just need to wait for a couple of minutes and you have to try back. If that is not the case, we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about just go over here, search for the settings, and from here we need to go over here in the time and language and go over here to the date and time and make sure the time automatically should be turned on, and this particular time zone should be turned on as well. The set the time automatically should be turned on. That's an important one. Next step is all about what we need to go back, and over here you need to go back to the network and internet. Over here, if the VPN is connected, just make sure the VPN is disconnected. So right now, as you can see in my case, the VPN is not connected. So if the VPN is connected, you have to unpin, like you need to disconnect the VPN. Once the VPN is connected back, you just need to go back to the Steam and you have to check. Next step is all about we need to run the Steam as administrator. In some cases that might even fix the issue. So just go over here, search for the Steam, and we need to just click on the run as an administrator and go for yes, and you have to check. But most probably, even though if you run it as an administrator, they still might ask you for the credentials even though issue is not fixed. If that is the case, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the run command like this, or you have to press over here, or you can use the shortcut from the keyboard that you have to press Windows and R key all together. That will take you to this, which is around %local app data %, go for OK. And right now what we need to do is, as you can see, this is the folder. Right now, if you scroll down, you can see there is a folder for the Steam. Right click on this one and go for the trash icon and make sure it is deleted. So right now I'm not able to delete it because the Steam might be running in the background. If I delete it, you're fine with it. You can move to the next step. Last and the least step, we need to add the game or add the Steam to the Windows Defender. So just go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on this one. But right now, click on System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Go for Allow and App feature through Windows Defender Firewall and scroll down and navigate to Steam. So if you scroll down, you can see the Steam is most probably added over here, and in some cases Steam may not be added. So if that is the case, how we can do this? Right now the Steam is added. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you have to do if the Steam is not added. So if Steam is added, let me remove it and I'll be added back once again. So I'm going to remove the Steam right now. I'll remove the Steam over here from here. Now sometimes when you come to this particular section over here, the Steam might be there, so we need to add it by default. So what you need to do is just click on the Allow Another App, go for the browse, navigate to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program file x86, scroll down and navigate to Steam. Scroll down and you can see this is the Steam over here right now. This is the application and we need to go for open and we need to add it. So right now the Steam is added, but there is one thing that you have to make sure that you put a check on both the boxes, private and public. Once it is crossed this, we have to close this and we have to go back to the Steam, try launching it, and now we need most probably, the issue might be fixed up, or you can try signing in with your credentials, and this time when you click on the sign in, you'll not be having any kind of issue. That's it, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.